Gym. Why does everyone talk about gym? Gym this, gym that. Like you cannot get results without one. For 31 days, I train at home. No gym, no equipment, no membership. And my body changed. But today I went to check out the gym. Not because I needed to, but because I'm ready to level up. And that is the difference. Day 31, and something shifted today. I have been training at home for 31 days, losing fat, building discipline, showing up. But today, I went out to check a gym, not to lose weight, I want to build.
Hi, today is day 31 and today, in fact, although I've been doing the training at home, I've been very consistent. I'm trying to work on my abs. I don't know about Charlie. I want to have 6-pack. And this side, I want to build it up yeah. I know into a fine shape woman, yeah, but then so I came around to see the gym, and in fact my content is also very important, so I had to check around to see some views around, and trust me, this view is not bad at all. I just love the view, and at least I can create a lot of content out of this place. I mean, it's a nice view, man. Yeah, we did it, and I want to drink my detox. Yeah, so shall we? Yeah, we shall. Let's drink. I like drinking the green tea a lot to reduce bloating. Yeah, but then it flushes all toxins from your system. So it's good. It's good to drink this, and sometimes it releases stress. Because me like this. More times, if I drink this, it's more like an energy booster. Boost my energy like something. Hi guys. Yeah. Just because it's a nice view. Yeah. So day 31 done. I trained. I drank my detox, and I also came out to find out some gym I can work on my abs. I'm already losing the belly fat. But then I want to gain more muscles. So I passed by the gym today, and yeah. So I'm Bibi, rebuilding my life one day at a time. See you tomorrow. Facts. See you tomorrow. Hit the subscribe button if you like this. Peace out.